Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday the 8th of November with me, Richard Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at gold as the final chart of the day, and this sort of corrective move that we saw yesterday, the dollar strengthening, risk appetite improving on as the FBI dropped its charges or dropped any sort of investigation against Hillary Clinton, just took the edge off that rally, didn't it? And look at this resistance that has now again been built. Series of highs and lows between sort of 1300, 1310, the resistance at 1307 last week, and that has now again been left. So the market is now turning a bit lower. You do have this uptrend still intact, which currently comes in around 1271, 1272, but the market has just rolled over. Stochastics rolling over with a bear cross. MACD lines again rolling over at neutral, RSI back to 50. It's all sort of suggests we're still sort of medium term trading sideways, really, just fluctuating within that sideways move really that we're seeing, and it seems a bit as though we're sort of trading around that 1300 area as a medium term pivot. Now Clinton victory which would be alluded to overnight with the results and then obviously confirmed presumably tomorrow morning, would be negative for gold. As I said, continuation of yesterday's move really, dollar strength and also risk appetite improved would be the double whammy for gold. And I think it's going to unwind back towards 1265 likely to be. I don't necessarily think it's going to go massively down. I think 1265 was basically where it settled just prior to the improvement that Trump got in the polls off the back of the FBI investigation, but an unwinding of that move back towards 1265 is likely, I think. In terms of your near-term technicals, they're basically settled, but it has actually completed this little top pattern, you could argue, below that support at 1285, so 1285 down from 1307 gives you around about 22 bucks of downside, and again that's basically back into that 1260 to 1265 support band that we had through sort of mid-late October, and I think that's basically where you'd probably end up on gold on a Clinton victory. So that is sort of my base case view for tomorrow morning. It's in terms of what you're going to see today, not a great deal really. $3 up on the day, it's not moved, and I don't expect it to move really. Just unwound a little bit of that weakness that it saw yesterday, but nothing really significant. Again, back to that neckline around 1285. So I hope that helps you, and I wish you good luck in your trading tomorrow and today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow morning, where we'll know more about who is the next president. So thank you very much, and I'll speak to you later.